Hi guys! Today is fairy tale. Basa nyo ba? Baliktad din. So ngayon, basahin na natin. Hindi nyo mabasa, so pag ganito di kasi makita. Ang title, babasahin ko na. The Dreaming Town Musical. Ito are part 2. Part, ganun guys, ganito dapat. Okay. Yung nakilala din nila yung roaster, hindi lang yung hound at saka yung cat. Okay, let's go. Lang guys While walking along, they meet an old roaster who was singing a very sad song. He told them that his owner wanted to kill him to feed his guests. They felt sorry for the roaster and said, "You have an amazing voice. Come with us and let's start a band in Bremen Town." Roaster agreed evidently. It was dark, and our four little friends arrived at a house, inside which lights were shining bright and warmly peeping top and window. The window they saw, and that several crazy-looking robbers were sitting around the table, eating and drinking gravely. In the room, there was a table. Di ko mabasa, nililito ko guys. Abangan nyo ang part 3. Part 3 abangan nyo.